Hi, I'm Anya. I'm in 12th grade in Bombay Scottish and I got into NYU in the class of 2027. I think for maybe tips of applying or helping you along the process, yes, I know it's a stressful process, but you're gonna have to grind. The most important thing is, number one, don't be afraid to show different sides of you, unique sides of you, new sides of you, especially through your essays, statements of purpose and all. When you have to write about the university you're applying to and why you choose to apply there, try and personalize it a bit, and maybe talk about, a specific course in the university that's available that you're interested in, or an internship opportunity in the area, or there's a research paper done by the professor which you find intriguing. Apart from that, and a possible major which I am currently interested in is psychology, but I'm still leaving it open-ended. So that's also why most of us apply abroad. It's because we have that opportunity of 2 years to study before we actually decide our major. And most of us intend to use it to the best of our abilities. And that's exactly what you can do.